Hi guys, today I'm going to do another challenge. So it's me versus Daddy. So in this challenge I will be actually having series of challenge, and what he basically needs to do is destroy this with his hand like that. Ready? Oh wait, the first challenge is I'm going to be having these arrows, and each arrow will make him wait for these arrows will make him wait for 15 seconds, these for 30 seconds. Yes, the blue ones which look a bit like a raptor will make him wait for 30 seconds. Okay? And these will make him wait for 15 seconds.
He has to do the challenge in how many seconds?
Yes, so there is no limit to the time in this challenge. He just needs to destroy that, and one rule which will make it difficult. You can only take one step, which needs to be between a 2-block range. So once you take once you take one step, you need to wait for 2 seconds. Otherwise, you will just run till the end, and you can't hop. Means like if I'm here, I can only walk till a range of two blocks. So that's the rule of the challenge. I'm going to be giving him 30 seconds. You can go out and go throughout the house, pick anything as a defense, and I'll be throwing these arrows. Go and pick for 30 seconds. Ready, steady, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ready? Okay, that was a bit quick. Now, actually you need to stand there. Not there. There.
I started, na?
No. I meant you need to pick up the things.
I picked it up.
Yes. Now I'm going to start the challenge. On the countdown of 3, 2, 1. Go. Ready, steady, go. Arrow broke. I missed that. Okay, he's going to win. Okay, time's up. So you did this challenge in just give me a second, I'll tell you.
Start.
Now
Samik is up to the challenge now.
start the 30 seconds.
Yes.
Done. Ready? Yeah. Did you check the time I started?
Yes.
Yeah. What's the time?
I think it is around. Stop कैसे करना है?
Oops.
कर दो.
Yes.
नहीं. It is still working.
Wait a second, I have to just figure this out. Now it's the next challenge. This challenge is similar to Baldi Basics, a real life one. So I have hidden 5 yellow bricks around this house. It's changed for notebooks. So you will have to find the 5 bricks. They are around this house, somewhere here. So yes, I'm Baldi. Ready? I'm counting. Start. Find the 5. It's not on the table. You have to run quick. It's not necessary to be in this room. Run, scram. You can crawl on the bread. No problem. Ow! He needs to touch your body. Actually, I can't climb on the bed. Quick. Actually, it's not inside. It's a dark room. I can't go in a dark room. That's the rule for Baldi. Almost. Dichum. You're out. Okay, let's see. You took about a minute. It's a minute's time. You find all?
4.
Oh, 4. You missed one.
Okay.
No, wait. Where did I miss one
No,
go?
stop it.
Yes. So you took a minute time. The missed block that Daddy missed was... Wait, somebody just stole it. Who of you stole the missing block? Who of you stole? Great. I think the block is missing. The block's missing. Okay, now I'm the student and there is the Baldi teacher. So I'm counting us in. 3, 2, 1, go. Find. Got it. Ah! Anyone? Not one. There. I think I'm stuck. I'm stuck here. I'm trapped in a room. Baldi can't come on the bed, so it's a bit better. So great. I'm stuck. Actually, Baldi has to follow me until I'm... Yes! I found 3! Ah! There! Found 4! I found 4! Come on the... You can't reach me on the bed actually. It's not allowed to touch on the bed. Touch on the... Ow! Fine. It's it. So I did it in about 20 seconds, but I lost. So the winner is Daddy. The winner of the 2 challenges is Daddy. So